Good morning, student. Today we will study about nouns. In noun, we will study about possession. In earlier classes, I have told you the meaning of noun. Let us recapitulate it. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. I am repeating again. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. In noun, we have studied about singular and plural noun. Singular, when we talk about a single person, single animal, or single thing, then we use singular noun. And when we are talking about more than one people, more than one place, more than one thing, then we use plural noun. After that, in noun, we have studied about masculine and feminine noun. Masculine noun is that noun when we are talking about a male, like boy, waiter, actor. And feminine noun is the noun when we are talking about the female, like actress, mother, sister, cow. All these are the masculine and the feminine noun. Then we have studied about the neuter gender. Neuter gender are the noun that cannot be classified as male or female. They are, in simple words, you can say non-living things are called neuter gender. For example, bat, ball, pen, table, etc. So now today we are going to study about possession. Possession. Possession is also known as belonging. Before I start this topic, let me give you an example. Suppose there is one almirah in your house and that almirah is shared by three people. Okay, let me take the example of some peoples like Mahira, Jasmine and Avika are sharing that cupboard. So now listen to these sentences very carefully. The hat of Jasmine is kept on the top shelf of the cupboard. I am talking about the hat of Jasmine is kept on the top shelf of the cupboard of the almirah. The boots of Avika are on the bottom shelf. The boots of the Avika are on the bottom shelf and the clothes of Mahira are placed on the hangers. I am repeating again. The hat of Jasmine is kept on the top shelf of the cupboard. The boots of Avika are on the bottom of shelf and the clothes of Mahira are placed on the hangers. When you listen to these sentences, you don't find out these sentences are a bit funny. Yes, they are funny because we are talking the boots of Avika, the hats of Jasmine. So let us make it very simple. How we can make it simple? Jasmine's hat is kept on the top shelf of the cupboard. Please listen to the sentence. Jasmine's hat is kept on the top shelf of the cupboard. Avika's boots are on the bottom shelf. Avika's boots are on the bottom shelf. Mahira's clothes are placed on the hanger. I am focusing on people and I am using Mahira's, Jasmine's, Avika's. Now these sentences sound much better. In the sentences which I have told you right now, in this we have used apostrophe. I will show you the sign of apostrophe in this. Please pay attention here. You can see in the notebook I have written apostrophe and I have used the symbol of apostrophe. This is a symbol of a apostrophe. So, okay, in possession or in belongings, when we talk about any person, anything, any animal, then we use apostrophe. The sign of apostrophe is very clear to you. I have put the sign of the apostrophe. Now, in case of a singular noun, when we are talking about a singular noun, we use apostrophe and we use s after the noun. See the example. I have written singular. The bat of Amit. I have changed it into a possession noun, that Amit's bat. After Amit I have added apostrophe. After apostrophe I have used s. Please pay attention. The bat of Amit. I have changed into a possession noun, Amit's bat. How I am pronouncing it? Amit's bat. And please pay attention that after Amit I have used apostrophe, then I have add s. So this is used in the case of a singular noun. When I am talking about a plural noun, please pay attention. When I am talking about a plural noun, then I will use apostrophe only after s. I am not going to add apostrophe then s. No. After writing the plural noun, I am going to use only apostrophe. You can see the example here. Food Food of cats. Food of cats. Now I have changed it into a possession noun by using a plural. Cats food. Cats. See, C-A-T-S. Then I have put apostrophe. Then I have put apostrophe. Then I have written food. This means the cat's food. I am talking about the belonging. Its food belongs to the cat. Please pay attention. Again I am telling you how we are talking about apostrophe to show the possession or to show the belonging to some people, to something. We use apostrophe. The sign of apostrophe is very clear to you. When we are talking about a singular, noun, the bat of Amit, Now I have changed this noun by using a possession noun, Amit's bat. That it means that the bat belongs to the Amit. The thing that belongs to that person, we are going to use it first. That is Amit. Bat belongs to Amit. Then I have used Amit. Then I have put apostrophe. Then I have used S. Then I have written the thing that belongs to that person. That is Amit's bat. When we are talking about a plural noun, the food of cats. So the food belongs to the cats. So I am talking about cats. First of all, we are writing the cats. Now we are talking about the animal. And animal, it is written in plural form. Cats. C-A-T-S. So I have written C-A-T-S. Then I have put apostrophe. I am not adding S after apostrophe. You have to focus on this. When we are talking about plural, then we use apostrophe. Cat's food. I hope you have understood the meaning. Where we have to use apostrophe, and S. I am repeating again, when we are talking about a singular noun, then we use apostrophe, then we add S. When we are talking about the plural, we only use apostrophe. So this is called possession. I have given, let me give you some more example of the singular and the plural. Rewrite these words to show possession, to show belonging. I am talking about the belonging. The speeches made by the leaders. Now these speeches belong to the leaders. So first of all, we are going to write the leaders. Now I am talking about plural noun, leaders. So L-E-A-D-E-R-S. Then I am going to use apostrophe. Then I am going to write the speeches. Okay. The tail of the dog. Now I am talking about a singular noun, that is a dog. The tail belongs to the dog. So first of all, I will write dog. The things that belongs to that person, that animal, we are going to write it before, and the thing which belongs to them, we are going to write after that. The tail of the dog, the dog's tail, D-O-G. I am talking about singular noun, that is D-O-G, and it's going to be changed D-O-G apostrophe S. Then I am going to write which belongs to dog, tail, the dog's tail. The book of Kiran. So book belongs to Kiran. So first of all, I am writing about Kiran, Kiran's, K-I-R-A-N apostrophe S. Then I am writing the thing which belongs to Kiran is book. Noun. We also use apostrophe S to show that noun is related to another. Okay, I am repeating. We also use apostrophe S to show that a noun is related to another. Let me give you an example. The school in which Atul studies has 6 stories. The school in which Atul studies has 6 stories. So how we are going to change, how we are going to write it to show the possession. Atul's school has 6 stories. Atul school has 6 stories. I am talking about Atul, that is a singular noun. So I am going to write apostrophe, then I am going to add S. When we add apostrophe S to show that a noun is related to another, we drop some words. Please pay attention on this. When we add apostrophe S to show that a noun is related to another, we drop some words. Now I have dropped some words in there. The school in which Atul studies has 6 stories. Now Atul's school has 6 stories. I have deleted the word in which. Let me give you another example. Everybody praised the painting made by that artist. Everybody praised the painting made by that artist. Now I am going to rewrite these words to show possession. Everybody praised that artist painting. Everybody praised that artist painting. Now I have deleted the words. I have dropped some words that is made by that artist. Made by is removed from this sentence. I am repeating again. Everybody praised the painting made by that artist. Now everybody praised that artist painting. Let me give you some more example. The nest of the bird is full of eggs. The nest of the bird is full of eggs. Now we are talking about birds. So we are going to write bird's nest is full of eggs. Bird's nest is full of eggs. Okay, the chair of the doctor is very nice. So how we are going to change it? The doctor's chair is very nice. The teeth of the dogs were very big. The dog's teeth were very big. Now, cakes baked by my mother are always delicious. My mother's cakes are always delicious. I hope you have understood the meaning of the possession. Now I am going to repeat it again. Possession means belongings. To show the belongings. To show the belongings, we use apostrophe. We use apostrophe. When we are talking about a singular noun, we use apostrophe after that thing, after that name, then we add s. When we are talking about a plural noun like dogs, cats, books, then we add apostrophe only. After the word, we use only apostrophe. Okay. We use apostrophe along with s to show possession or belonging. I hope you have understood the meaning of possession.